Why, Tornado? Why? Why did you turn on Ace's Wild? Well, I'll tell you why. Because everything in Ace's Wild, Jake Matthews, has been about you. And I'm not going to stand for it anymore. That's why at the bash, I'm putting an end to Ace's Wild, and I'm putting an end to your title reign. If Alistair don't beat you at Full Throttle. And Johnny AC3. Lately I've been on a losing streak, but that ends when I take back the United States title that you stole from me at the Rumble. How in the hell did you even get in that match anyway to make it a fatal 4-way? You got something in mind, Johnny AC3, and I want it back, and I'm going to take it back. Unfortunately, since you won the title, I noticed that you have not been at the last couple of shows. What does it matter? Is it a little toothache? Or... no, it's not a toothache. But or is it? Anyway, it don't matter what it is. But I do hope you feel better, because I want my title back. And I'm going to get it back. But I just received word that you were jumped by a rival Fed. You couldn't tell me who it was, but you said rival Fed. I know exactly who it was. It was Uncensored Wrestling. Really, UW? Your issues are with me, not Johnny AC3. I hope you realize what you've done, UW. You've done declared war. And at the summer of 2020, NWI is going to kick your ass, UW. See that? King Tragedy? The winds are picking up. The tornado is coming for you. You think you're gonna hurt the tornado? Nah. The tornado is a powerful force. And the tornado has destruction in its path. King Tragedy, you want war? You got it. King Tragedy, one more thing to say to you. Sound the sirens, bitch.